Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to delete all remotes from a Toyota Yaris 2011. As you can see at present we have an existing working remote, so I'm going to show you the procedure on how to delete them all. So this will delete all current remotes that are linked to the vehicle, so do make sure you know what you're doing when you perform this procedure. First step is to open the driver's door. Next is to insert key into ignition and remove twice. So insert, remove, and then you want to close and open driver's door 2 times. Close, open, and you want to insert and remove key once. Close and open driver's door twice. And then close driver's door and leave driver's door closed. Now you want to insert key into ignition and turn from off to on 5 times. The door locks will now cycle 5 times. Now, exit programming mode, just open the door, close it, and then as you can see, the remote does not work anymore. So like I said, that will remove every remote that's linked to the vehicle. Thanks.